What if I tell you this tiny Hot Wheel car is inspired by the most iconic classic Porsches ever built? But this isn't just another Porsche. This is the legendary Porsche. Hey collectors, welcome to the channel Collect with me. If you love collecting Hot Wheels, then you are at the right place. So, whether you are a fan of Porsche or someone who simply loves collecting Hot Wheels, today's video is going to be really crazy because today I am going to show you one of the most classic Porsches ever built by Porsche. So, here it is, the classic Porsche 356 Outlaw from the Vintage Club series. And this is the second car that I own from the Vintage Club edition. Before we jump onto the car itself, let's take a quick look at the packaging. The card. The artwork on the card is absolutely insane. The Vintage Club logo, the beautiful blue Porsche in the middle looks absolutely perfect, and the main detailing, those scratch marks, which gives this card a proper vintage vibe. Now, let's have a look at the detailing of the car. The casting looks absolutely stunning. The blue paint gives it a timeless, elegant appearance, and the detailings are simply amazing. The 356, Goodyear, and Castrol graphics on the sides, the silver alloy wheels, those realistic rubber tires, the Porsche logo at the back, the headlights, the grills. Oh my god, this car is an absolute powerhouse of detailing. Every little detail has been executed beautifully, and it completely captured all my attention. Now, here's something really interesting. The real Porsche 356 was Porsche's first production sports car, which became famous quickly because of its timeless design, its lightweight body, and extreme handling. The term outlaw refers to the custom built Porsche 356 that have been modified with upgraded performance, suspensions, wheels, and styling, while still respecting the spirit of the real car. So, whether you are a Porsche fan, a vintage car lover, or someone who simply loves collecting Hot Wheels, this is definitely a piece worth adding to your collection. So rate this car from 1 to 10 and tell me in the comments, would you keep this beauty sealed or open it? See you guys soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Who knows, next car could be your dream collectible.